Here I have Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow here, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here in settings you have to firstly enable phone watermark. Like, you can enable time watermark, but it's not that essential for custom watermark. And here you can add your own custom watermark. So like, you can enter your name, you can enter your, I don't know, nickname, some quote that inspires you or something like that. I'm just gonna enter HardReset.Info and show you how it will look like on a photo. So just like this, HardReset.Info powered by Nubia. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.